If you want to enable or disable the super power saving mode on OnePlus 15, first of all we need to go to settings. Over here in settings we're gonna scroll down and we need to go to battery. In here we need to tap on this switcher to enable super power saving mode and then confirm that you want to turn it on. And there we go, now we are using the super power saving mode. Over here we can add up to 3 additional apps. We can also tap on edit in order to remove these apps over here, so you can in total use 6 apps in the super power saving mode. And besides that, if you want to exit the super power saving mode, then over here of course in the upper left corner we have exit. We just have to tap that we confirm, and there we go. If we go back to these settings, the switcher will be off. And of course you can also add the option to quick settings. So if we scroll down over here in the tools, we should be able to find somewhere, there we go, the super power saving mode. So you can quickly enable and disable super power saving mode by using this button over here. And that is all. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.